Kartvelian language family. The Kartvelian languages are a language family indigenous to the South Caucasus and spoken primarily in Georgia. There are approximately 5 million Georgian language speakers worldwide, with large groups in Russia, Iran, the United States, the European Union, Israel, and northeast Turkey. The Kartvelian language family is not related to any other language family, making it one of the world's primary language families. The most widely spoken of these languages is Georgian. Georgian is the official language of Georgia, spoken by 90% of the population, and serves as its main language for literary and business use. It is written with an original and distinctive alphabet. The Kartvelian language family consists of four closely related languages: Georgian, Svan, Mingrelian, and Laz languages. The connection between these languages was first reported in linguistic book by Johann Anton Guldstadt, and later classification proven by of the languages of the Caucasus, Maria Félicie Brossen, Franz Boff, and others during the 1840s. Zan is a branch that contains the Mingrelian and Laz languages. On the basis of glottochronological analysis, Georgy Klimov dates the split of Proto-Kartvelian into Svan and Proto-Georgian Zan, Proto-Kartozan, to the 19th century before Christ, and the further division into Georgian and Zan to the 8th century BC. Modern studies employing Bayesian linguistic phylogenetics in conjunction with archaeological, ethnoecological, and human population genetic data suggests a substantially earlier separation between Svan and the Kartozan languages. This multidisciplinary approach dates the divergence to the earlier Cooper Age, approximately 7,600 years before present. According to this study, it is highly likely that Proto-Kartozan, aka Proto-Georgian Zan, prior to its split into Georgian and Zan, was spoken by pre-Kura Araxes and Kura Araxes farmers that thrived in the wetterland of Mtkvari, Kura River during the Copper and Bronze Ages. So now let's talk about higher level connections. No relationships with other languages, including Northwest Caucasian or Northeast Caucasian, has been demonstrated so far. There have been numerous attempts to link Kartvelian languages to other language families, such as the proposed Nostratic family, but these have failed out of favor. Certain grammatical similarities between Basque language, especially in the case system, have often been pointed out. However, the hypothesis of a relationship, which also tends to link the Caucasian languages with other non-Indo-European or non-Semitic languages of the Near East and ancient times, is generally considered to lack conclusive evidence. Any similarities to other linguistic phyla may be due to aerial influences, heavy borrowing in both directions, aka from North Caucasian to Kartvelian and vice versa, has been observed. Therefore, it is likely that certain grammatical features have been influenced as well. So, now after introduction, I want to move on some other details about Kartvelian languages. For example, let's compare some grammar in these languages. For example, let's choose word old. Old in Georgian will be Zveli. In Swan language it will be Juinel. In Laz language it will be Mjvesh, and in Megrelian language it will be Jveshi. On this photo you see example of adjective declension and also cases in these languages. Now let's take a look at pronouns in Kartvelian languages. First of all, let's start with personal pronouns like I, you singular, that, we, you plural. I in Proto-Kartvelian was me, in Georgian me, in Mingrelian ma, in Laz ma or man, in Svan mi. You singular in Proto-Kartvelian was sen, in Georgian shen, in Mingrelian si, in Laz si or sin, in Svan si. That in Proto-Kartvelian was e, in Georgian esa, in Mingrelian ena, in Laz eya or heya, in Svan eja. We in Proto-Kartvelian was chuen, in Georgian chven, in Mingrelian chki, chku, or chkin, chkun. In Laz it will be chkin, chku, or shku. In Svan it will be nai. You plural in Proto-Kartvelian was stkven. In Georgian it is tkven. In Mingrelian it is tkva or tkwan. In Laz it is tkvan. In Svan it is zgai. Now let's go on possessive pronouns. My in Proto-Kartvelian was chvemi. In Georgian it is chemi. In Mingrelian it is chkimi. In Laz it is chkimi or shkimi. In Svan it is mishku. Your in singular. Shveni in Proto-Kartvelian. In Georgian it will be sheni. In Mingrelian it will be skani, as well as in Laz language. In Svan it will be isgu. His, her, its, in Proto-Kartvelian was miss. In Georgian it will be missy. In Mingrelian it will be mushi. In Laz it will be hemushi or emushi. In Svan it will be micha. Our in Proto-Kartvelian was chveni, chueni. In Georgian it will be chveni. In Mingrelian it will be chkini or chkuni. In Laz it will be chkini, chkuni, shkuni. In Svan it will be gushguei, nishguei, shguei. Your plural in Proto-Kartvelian was stkveni. In Georgian it will be tkveni. In Mingrelian it will be tkvani, as well as in Laz language. In Svan it will be isquei. Now let's move on to cardinal numbers. In Proto-Kartvelian languages, order was skhva. In Proto-Kartozan language, order was skhva. In Georgian, order is skhva. In Mingrelian, shkhva. In Laz, chkva, shkva. In Svan language, it is eshchu. But this word is used for one. And one in Proto-Kartozan language was erti. In Georgian it is erti. In Mingrelian it is Arti, and in Laz it is Ar. 2 in Proto-Kartvelian language was Yori. In Proto-Cartozan language it was also Yori, just like in Swan language. In modern Georgia language, 2 is Ori. In Mingrelian language it is Jiri or Juri, and in Laz language it is Jur or Jur. 3 in Proto-Kartvelian language was Sami. In Proto-Cartozan language it was also Sami. In Georgian language it is also Sami. In Mingrelian language it was Sumi. In Laz language it is also Sumi. In Swan language it is Semi. 4 in Proto-Kartvelian language was Otcho. In Proto-Cartozan language it was also Otcho. In Georgian language it is Otchi. In Mingrelian language it is also Otchi. And in Laz language it is Otcho. In Swan language it is Washtcho. 5 in Proto-Kartvelian language was Huti. In Proto-Kartvelian language, Proto-Cartozan language, 5 was also Huti, just like in Georgian and Mingrelian. And in Laz language it is Hut, and in Swan it is Wohusht. 6 in Proto-Kartvelian language was Eksui. In Proto-Cartozan language it was Eksui. In Georgian it is Eksi. In Mingrelian it is Amshvi, and in Laz it is Ashi, and in Swan language it is Ushkwa or Uzgwa. 7 in Proto-Kartvelian language it was Shvidi or Shvidi. In Proto-Cartozan language 7 was Shvidi. In Georgian it is Shvidi. In Mingrelian it is Shkwiti. In Laz it is Shkwit, and in Swan it is Ishkuit. 8 in Proto-Kartvelian language was Arva. In Proto-Cartozan language it was also Arva. In Georgian it is Rva. In Mingrelian it is Ruo or Pruo. In Laz language it is Ovro or Orvo. In Swan language it is Ara. 8. 9 in Proto-Kartvelian language 9 was Tschara. In Proto-Cartozan language it was also Tschara. In Georgian it is Tschra. In Mingrelian it is Choro, just like in Laz language. And in Swan language it is Chara. 10 in Proto-Kartvelian language 10 was Asti. In Proto-Cartozan language it was Ati. In Georgian it is also Ati. In Mingrelian it is Viti, and in Laz it is Vit. And in Swan language it is Esht. In Proto-Cartozan language 20 was Otsi. In Proto-Georgian, in Georgian language it is also Otsi. In Mingrelian language it is Echi. And in Laz language it is also Echi. 100 in Proto-Kartvelian language was Asi. In Proto-Cartozan language it was also Asi. In Georgian language it is Asi. In Mingrelian and Laz languages it is Oshi. And in Swan language it is Ashir. Historically, Caucasian tribes inhabited most part of Caucasus region, as well as Anatolia and territory around Lake Van. Proto-Kartvelian tribes also lived partially in Caucasus region and partially in Anatolia. Some Kartvelian tribes like Moseniki, Bidzeri, Tibareni, Halikoni, Kolchi, Eniochi, they lived on territory of Anatolia. Modern-day descendants of those peoples are Laz people. Before Indo-European peoples arrived in Anatolia, this region was mostly inhabited by Caucasian Anatolian tribes. And even today, Turks, who are mostly descendants of ancient Anatolians, are genetically close to Caucasian populations. Kartvelian peoples were one of this Caucasian Anatolian peoples group who inhabited northeast part of Anatolia, and the western part of Caucasus region.